quick update because I learned something interesting when I was having a go at this vise, which I acquired a couple of months ago. It had been sitting in somebody's shed for I don't know how many years, rusting away. It's a number 21 record vise. I think these sell for about £100 on eBay because they've got a quick release mechanism, which is quite a nice feature to have, but it would not open. So I stripped it down as best I could. I assumed it was simply rust and debris in the thing. I had similar problems with this tap wrench, but that cleaned up quite nicely actually, and that was just grease and grime from years of neglect. But in the case of this vise, that wasn't actually what was jamming it. What I discovered was this thing on the sliding jaw. It had picked up quite a lot of dents over the years, and especially on this rear edge for some reason. So all I actually had to do was come in with a file and just tidy up, dress the edges to get rid of the rough spots, and there are some ground flat ways on the ends here and two more at the top and a matching set of 4 at the back, and this isn't precision ground or anything, so I wasn't too particular about just dressing the edges on this thing. But anyhow, once I'd done that, the whole thing came alive and fitted together quite nicely. So I think that was basically all that was wrong with it, apart from needing a clean. So if you have got an old vise which is proving a bit stubborn, maybe as well as a clean, you just need to look at the edges on this sliding jaw and file those down and see if it makes a difference. So I'm quite pleased with the way that that's come up. It could do with a bit more of a clean, but I'm not going to be a martyr to the cause on this thing. I'll put it back together and pass this on to a friend who said he was interested in it, and hopefully it'll get a few more decades of use out of the thing now. So